from coast to coast.
نظر نظر میں لیے
Shoreline to mountain peaks.
جان و دل کے نذرانے
We invite you once again after 2 long years for the most awaited annual convention of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community. A unique event founded on true Islamic principles. Witness a united community under a divinely guided leader.
یہ 3 دن بھی عجب رحمت
3 days of spirituality, 3 days of brotherhood, 3 days of blessings. A national event bringing mankind together from across the nation. Tune in to MTA International for exclusive coverage of Jalsa Salana, Canada 2022 on the 15th, 16th and 17th of July.
نصیب ہو کہ نہ ہو پھر یہ دن خدا جانے